Welcome back. Let's look at our anchor chart together. We talked about two-dimensional shapes, which is another way to say flat shapes. The shapes that we've been focusing on are the square, the triangle, the circle, and the rectangle. We talked about a square has how many sides? 4 sides that are all equal in length. It also has 4 right angles. Right angles means that a small square could fit nicely in the corner. We talked about how it has 4 vertices, which are where the two sides meet or come together. Things that you can find in the shape of a square. A window is in the shape of a square. You might see tiles in a bathroom or on the floor that are in the shape of a square. Triangles have how many sides? 3. And they also have 1, 2, 3 vertices. You can find yield signs in the shape of a triangle and maybe some pizza in the shape of a triangle. Things in the shape of a circle with 0 sides and 0 vertices. Might be a clock. You might find a quarter or another coin. Rectangles have how many sides? Right, 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. There are also 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. They also have 4 right angles. You might notice that a door is in a rectangular shape, also a dollar bill. Let's play a game called Who Am I? The Shapes Edition. I'm going to read you a clue and I want you to guess what the shape is. I am thinking of a shape. Who am I? A closed shape with no straight sides. What shape do you think it is? Oh, what shape is that? You're right. It is a circle. Good job. The next clue. A closed shape with 4 straight sides and 4 vertices. And you even notice in the corners there are what types of angles? Right angles. Let's see. Did you say a rectangle? Great job. The third clue says a closed shape with 4 straight sides of the same length and 4 vertices. And it also has 4 right angles. Did you say a square? Great job. The last clue, a closed shape with 3 straight sides. What do you think it is? A triangle. Great guessing. Let's review. Look at these two shapes. Can you think of ways these two shapes are similar or alike? Yes, they both are closed shapes. They both have vertices. And they both have straight sides. Now I want you to think of how these two shapes are different. Now, if you have a piece of paper, you can write down how they're different. If you have someone at home that can talk to you, you can talk about how these two shapes are different. These are the ways that I saw some differences. This first shape, which is a triangle, has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. Has 3 sides and no right angles. Now we talked about some triangles do have right angles, but does this have a right angle? No, a square could not fit snugly in the corner. But this shape over here is a what? A rectangle that has 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And the angles are what type of angles? Right angles. Let's work on this exit ticket together. Write the number of vertices and sides that each shape has. Then match the shape to its name. Remember that some special shapes may have more than one name. If you have a parent that could print this out for you, then just complete your work on that. But if not, just go ahead and you can draw and write the vertices and sides and then copy the name on a piece of paper. Press pause, and when you're ready to check, press play. Welcome back. Let's go over your answers. Number 1, what shape is this? It is a circle. How many vertices did you say it has? If you wrote 0, you're correct. And how many straight sides? 0 as well. Now you're going to draw your line to the word circle, but don't get tricked. If you look at the names over on this side of the page, you might look right here and see the S at the beginning for this is SQ, this is square. The word circle starts with a C. CI makes a soft C sound, so circle. So you would draw a line to the word circle. Number 2, what shape is this? Great, a triangle. And it has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3. And how many straight sides? 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to connect to the word triangle. Number 3, what is this shape called? A rectangle. And you should have counted 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides. Excellent job. Last one, what shape is this? A square. How many vertices? 4. How many straight sides? 4. And you connect to the word square. Some people realize a square is also a rectangle. Remember, we talked about how a square is a special type of rectangle. Rectangles have opposite sides equal in length. A square has opposite sides equal in length, but it also has all 4 sides equal in length. So if you didn't get tricked by that, great job. Let's review our I can statement for today. I can name shapes using their attributes. We talked about different attributes of the 4 basic shapes. We talked about their sides, vertices, and angles. A huge thank you goes out to Jamie from A Spoonful of Learning, the Shape Song by Have Fun Teaching on YouTube, Richmond City Public Schools for Richmond Math, and Great Minds for Eureka Math. I hope we see you tomorrow.